Hey everyone, just another quick video. Still under quarantine, and I went to turn on my pool motor the other day, and this is what it did. So it's a no-go. Shut that off. I've had this problem before, but I'm thinking it might be this capacitor. It's already got this cover off. I have a Pentair. Don't know exactly what model. Whisper Flow. And so I'm thinking it's this capacitor. So I've got to go get another capacitor and let's see if this is what fixes it. So just make sure you shut off the power to the to your motor. If you want to get more serious, I guess shut off the power to your at the breaker to the house. But so pair of pliers. Oop. Let's go ahead and take these little connectors off. Ugh. There we go. Alright. So one that I have is it's a 30 UF, or I believe it's a MFD 370, and plus 5%. So I'm not exactly too sure what that means, but I'm going to go to the pool store, give them a call, and see what they have. And Leslie's carried it. It was $29.99. It's actually cheaper on Amazon. It's way cheaper on Amazon. So one thing I noticed is that this one fits nice and snug. It actually fits within the grooves. There's these little grooves on the outer casing, and this one fits actually pretty well. This one I bought online or from another store, and it's actually bigger. So maybe this one will work better. But let's hook it up and find out if this is what the culprit is. Alright, connect one to one side, one to the other. Alright, let's see if that's it. Alright, here's the casing. Temporarily cover that up, and let's see if this works. It works. Beautiful. All right, well, thanks for watching. And stay tuned for another home project video. Have a good one, everyone.